There's your bowl right there in the center. Now you're gonna take your crescent roll triangle, and we're gonna place that right there, using our fingers to press down the dough. And now we're gonna take some roast beef. This is just deli roast beef. We're gonna line that up on each.
Regular roast beef.
Yep. Now, you could actually get fresh cut roast beef if you wanted to, but we are showing you a quick and easy version, and we are using crescent rolls as the base. I have 2 cans of crescent rolls there. Sauteed peppers and onions. Just sauteed these bad boys in a little bit of oil, and you can add whatever seasonings you want. And you're just gonna take your spoon and just kind of tap it and give it a press all around so that all of your fillings are nice and snug. And there's one other important thing we need for our Philly cheesesteak.
Cheese. I can get that. That's in the fridge. All right, here we go. Ooh, I guess we're going with provolone, right?
Yes, provolone is a staple in Philly cheesesteak. All right, we take our sliced provolone and we're just gonna fold that in half. And that's gonna fit nicely around each side. And that way you get a double dose of cheese. Y'all don't tell me I was too stingy with the cheese this time. Surely not. Beautiful. And the great thing about this is that it will bake in literally no time. This is one of the easiest, fastest recipes you could ever have. So now you're gonna take the end of your crescent rolls and you're just gonna tuck it under using your fingers. Roll and tuck. Sounds like a safety.
It's tuck and roll.
Tuck and roll, but we're like rolling it and then tucking it. And as I said, this is 2 cans of those crescent rolls. And this is definitely gonna be a crowd pleaser, but you could put all different kinds of things inside of this. Let me know in the comments what else you would use to fill yours. Just tuck that in, that is perfect. Now we're gonna take that egg and we're gonna crack it inside of our bowl. And we're just gonna mix that up and then brush over the top of our crescent dough. And this is gonna give us a nice golden crust. I will say this, y'all. Eggs are crazy expensive, y'all. Tell me why they are so expensive right now. Have you heard what's going on with the eggs? I'm very curious. And also, how much are they going for where you're from? But that's it. Super easy. Just a couple ingredients. You're gonna pop this in the oven. Basically, you're just following the instructions on the crescent dough can. You're gonna bake this at 350 degrees for about 30 minutes. And then we're gonna taste test. We are gonna have an incredible party, family meal. This could be a breakfast thing. This could be a brunch thing. It's yummy no matter what. All right, so we've got our ham all spread out. I've also got some scrambled eggs that I've made here.
Okay.
All right, got my scrambled eggs. We're gonna place those on. See how this is going?
Not yet, actually.
I am so excited for this one. I can't wait to show you. It's gonna be such a fun recipe. You're gonna wanna try this to impress your friends. And seriously, it bakes faster than just about anything.
Well, we've got a lot of thumbs ups coming in.
Are you guys excited already?
Yeah.
All right. And hit the like button if you like my little tongs, because they are my favorite.
Little hand tongs.
All right, I'm adding my scrambled eggs on there. And of course, if we've got ham and eggs, what are we missing? Cheese.
Cheese.
Can you get me some cheese, please?
Cheese. All right. So cheese would be in the fridge, and okay.
Yeah, there's some shredded cheese.
Shredded mozzarella right there.
You could use any kind of cheese that you wanted.
Okay.
Great, thank you. Perfect. Now, I like salt and pepper on my eggs, so we're gonna go ahead and add a little bit of that. Just a little, because we don't need too much. But I guess I'm always stingy with the peppers, so I'm gonna
put a lot more pepper on.
More pepper just for you today. Where's everybody from? Because this is live, and what I love about these lives is that we can talk back to you. We can get your comments.
We've got Jonathan from Hawaii watching.
Hi there.
We've got Juan watching.
All right, now I'm gonna
Marie.
sprinkle some mozzarella.
Okay.
Sprinkle that on top. It's okay if it gets a little bit messy. Messy means it's gonna be good, if you ask me. All right. Now, the cool part comes when I start rolling this up again. All right. Add a little bit more cheese. Is that enough cheese?
That looks good.
I think that's good. All right, check this out, guys.
We have Michael from Indiana watching.
Hi, guys. Now, so these are our crescent rolls. Just if you're just now tuning in, take a look. I unrolled them and I already spread it out there because I want this to be quick and easy. I know you guys got places to go, people to see. So see what I'm doing? I'm tucking that in under there.
Wait, I don't understand. Okay, you're just twisting it up.
Yep.
I see.
I'm tucking it under.
Ray says, no bacon, question mark.
Now, Ray, you could do this however you like. That's what's fun about this. You can customize it and put whatever ingredients you want. What would you do? Ray would have bacon. We're gonna go with ham, egg, and cheese today.
Nancy is from Alberta, Canada, says hi.
Hi there, I love Canada and I love Canadians.
Denise from Tennessee. Dawn
Hey,
from
y'all.
Michigan watching.
Okay, so we've got a few more to just wind up here.
All right.
And then I'm gonna pop this in the oven and this is gonna bake super fast. And while it's baking, we're gonna show you a second recipe. I've got a dessert recipe that we're gonna show you while it's baking.
We got Suzanne from Sweden watching.
So you see, this is just curling up. This is a crescent roll ring. And I spread them out. They come in triangles. Now this is only one can because it's gonna cook faster for you. I wanna
Okay.
get this done real fast so you can see the finished results when I take it out of the oven. But if you really have a big family or you're gonna do this for a party or something, you could do 2 cans of crescent rolls and it'll be a really impressive spread.
Jim says, ham, egg, and cheese, question mark.
Yep,
Yep.
ham, egg, and cheese. You can't go wrong with that. So you tuck it in.
We got Italy in the house watching, Sweden watching,
Buongiorno. I didn't know
Boise,
my-
Idaho. Hello,
How's it?
Molly.
I think this is almost ready to go in the oven. I've got one more thing I have to do. And I've got this on a pizza pan, as you can see that.
Uh-huh.
But use 2 of these and it'll get even bigger. I'm now gonna make an egg wash, all right? So I've got
You're gonna
my
wash the egg?
I'm not gonna wash the egg. I'm gonna actually put the egg in here. Uh-oh,
Okay.
I got some shell. Oh, goodness.
All right.
I'm so clumsy. All right. And we are just going to just stir that up a little bit.
We got El Paso, Texas in the house.
And then I'm gonna just brush the top with the egg wash because that is gonna give it a nice golden flavor. Not a golden flavor, a golden color. I'm silly. All right. Brush that on there. It's gonna bake right in front of our eyes.
You've made crescent rolls. You've never made this, though.
Yes, I have.
This
you just
round
didn't
thing?
know about it.
Oh.
You just didn't know. You
Oh.
don't know everything I do.
Oh, kind of figured it.
We've got our pizza sauce on there. And now I'm going to take some mozzarella cheese. This is actually sliced mozzarella. And I've already cut it in a few pieces here. We're going to put those on. Now I'm going to add some pepperoni, but you can put whatever toppings you want. Maybe you don't like pepperoni. Maybe you want to have a veggie pizza. You can do whatever you want. See how I'm just putting these around here in a circle? Look how pretty this is going to
Okay.
be. But the cool part comes when I roll this up. While I'm putting the pepperonis on, I need a little bit more cheese. In fact, I need the shredded cheese.
Shredded cheese. Oh, I can get that. That's in the fridge. So shredded cheese right here. Mozzarella cheese, right? All right, mozzarella cheese right there. All
Just
right.
regular pizza cheese.
There you go. All right.
All right, now we're gonna sprinkle this one on top, and then I'm gonna roll it up and pop it in the oven. And it's gonna bake right in front of your eyes because I've done these before, and it's gonna be fast. You guys, I forgot something important. I'm getting ahead of myself. I forgot the Italian seasoning.
Oh my goodness.
All right, I'm gonna unroll and put some Italian seasoning on it. Here we go. There we go, a little bit of Italian seasoning.
I don't see anything coming out. Is it coming out?
It's
All right.
coming out. In the middle of our ring, you put some more pizza sauce, maybe ranch dressing, whatever you prefer.
Okay, let's see.
It's gonna bake in just a few minutes.
All right, here we go.
It's gonna be so good.
Boom.
Oh my gosh, it looks so good, y'all. And our puppies have been hanging out in the kitchen ever since because they smelled it too. Let's do a taste test. What do you think? Woohoo! Look at that. Doesn't that look beautiful? So I'm just gonna use my spatula and cut a slice right here. You've got all the good stuff inside there. Oh yeah, look at that. Woohoo! I cannot wait to taste this. Kyle, you gotta get in here too.
All right,
you got
here we
this
go.
nice melty cheese.
All right, let's see what we
I'll
have.
take that piece.
All right.
I'll take this piece.
Ah, it's hot.
I know.
All
Here you
right,
go.
we
Ready?
go. Here you go. Cheers.
Cheers.
Here you go. Philly cheesesteak. I'll let you try it first. Good.
Not a good combination of flavors.
It is good.
That's really good. Wow.
Boom.
This looks so good. Look at
It's a
this.
surprise. All right.
Slice it. Yum-me.
Look at that. That smells delicious, guys.
You gotta try it.
Awesome. Boom. Let's see this pizza stuff. Ooh, that looks so good. That was made in no time at all.
Look at this. Look at this. I told y'all this was gonna be a good one.
You could probably just pull it right apart.
Look at that. This is gonna be a hit at your next party.
That's good.
And